Hello, students. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're getting to know each other in this student introductions discussion. Um, I need you to pick up your lab supplies. There's no big rush. If you're coming back to campus at the beginning of February, you can wait until then. But if you are already on campus or in town, you can pick up your lab supplies at any time. Brent Wallace, the lab manager, at the biology department in Osborne will be helping me to hand out the lab kits. He works from 7:30 to 3, and so you can go to Osborne B313. He might be just like in the labs. He might not just be in his office, but he will help you. And you can also initiate an email to get the process going, but you don't have to make an appointment with him. But he's happy to field the emails as well. So I know that there are several of you that have emailed me, and I will follow up with you this afternoon. But in the meantime, just realize that these first two labs, lab 1 and 2, don't require any materials, and therefore you could get started on them at any time. And you just need to pick up your kit by the time we get to photosynthesis and cellular respiration. So I hope you're settling in. Please let me know if you have questions, and I look forward to working with you. I hope to hear from you soon. The best thing is just to ask, right? Don't sit over there by yourself and wonder what's going on. Just ask me, and then also remember that we're always in discussion, right? There's always a discussion going on. So when in doubt, come into class, hopefully at a minimum of every other day, and check in with what's going on in discussion. All the discussions are open, as I've mentioned. So as you move through, you can work ahead. Just try to stay up in front of the deadlines. So I am not preventing you from working ahead, just hoping that you get there by the time you hit the deadlines. All right, friends, please let me know how I can help and have a great weekend.